Naganap na nga ang bakbakang Fondora versus Torman sa catchweight na 154 pounds junior middleweight class. Si Torman ay nagpataas ng timbang, no? Hinabol niya yung 154 pounds. At sa palagay ko ay isa itong disadvantage para sa kanya. Ang catch weight niya, ang regular na timbang niya talaga is 147 pounds nung una silang naglaban ni Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Fondora right on the chin, that buckled his knees but did not go down. Those gloves did not touch the canvas. I think he answered.
Okay, tinamaan nga doon si Torman, no? Sa first round na muntik magpatumba sa kanya. So napakalaki ng bentahe ni Fondora sa height na 6'6" at ang reach advantage din, no?
When have we seen Keith Thurman against someone with this size and the patience in the...
So nakikita natin talagang nahihirapan si Torman na makipagsabayan kay Fondora.
Successful round for Fondora, finding a home with that uppercut from a long...
Putting his punches in the right place, very controlled, composed.
Bahagyang bumagal si Torman, no? Parang doon sa timbang niya. Alam nyo guys, mahirap talagang magpataas ng timbang. Kasi yung galaw mo naapektuhan, no? Tingnan mo yung ano niya, abs niyo, parang puro ano na lang siya, puro laman, no? Binubugbog lang talaga siya. Hindi siya makapurma talaga kay Fondora. Na hindi nga makatama sa mukha, eh.
Sebastian Fondora continues the evolution, although he got tagged with the left hand, but Thurman's face is a mess.
He was caught below the left eye.
Body shots,
show me some
left
Keith.
hands.
Yeah, he's not liking getting hit, so he's trying to get away from those punches, but it's too hard.
Lit up like
Ayan, no? Binubugbog lang talaga siya.
grip by Fondora.
Mula round 1, round 2, round 3.
Like that.
Never.
And that's something he said in the
Hindi niya mapatamaan si Fondora, no?
never showed this type of damage.
May sagot ka agad, ang daming pinapatama ni Fondora. Ayan, tinigil na lang ng referee, no?
Sebastian Fondora serving notice to the rest of the division. I'm not just a tall man.
Ayan, panalo si Fondora, no? Ayan, no? Bugbog, oh, bubog sarado yung mukha nyo. Talagang duguan. Hindi talaga kinaya. 6 rounds lang talaga siya. Hanggang 6 rounds lang. Wala na, tinigil na. Okay, panalo si Fondora dito, no?
And still, the WBC Super Welterweight Champion of the World, the Towering Inferno, Sebastian Fondora.